Yeah, so this is a bit meta. What I'm planning to do today is an on-stream to-do list, because I wanted to have on Twitch, on stream, a list of things that I'm currently doing, and in the next steps for a particular project, which is Brawl Ball currently. But it would be nice to have the current thing that I'm working on screen, so new people that are arriving kind of understand what's going on. So let's see if I can pull this off. I'm going to use this Todoist app that I used to use this regularly, but I haven't been used so far. But yeah, right now let's just try to use it as an API. So task 1, task 2, just to populate some stuff. And I'm gonna create a empty Node.js project and try to consume this API and have a simple interface where I could have like a browser view as there is currently for the Patreon supporters. For example, this is a web view, and using this web view component, I want to have like the task I'm currently working on showing up here, and kind of real-time updating whenever I on the application. Whenever I click here, for example, I want it to update on my stream automatically. So let's see if I can do this. First, let's create the project. So do on stream, init, and then I'll use the tools that I'm used to using, like Express. Actually, everybody's talking about the Fastify. I should probably try Fastify and get used to how that works. Yeah, so let's install Fastify. And of course, TypeScript. I cannot live without TypeScript anymore. DS Node Dev. They are mostly the tools using that you use during development. Make an src folder. How is on Fastify? Hello world. Let's see. Fastify. Okay, yeah, let's just have this for now. Yeah, I'll use VS Code. I really like to use the Vim key bindings for VS Code. It's taking a bit long to load my stuff. Yeah, I'll close the stream that is open here. Oh yeah, I'm going to enter here on the voice channel. Create like a stream on stream chat. stage channel. Yeah, a stage channel on stream. Sounds good. Check. Okay. Okay. Yeah. For now, the gladiator is early. Banana. Can edit this later. Let's jump here. I guess. Okay. You do have wood. How not? Oh. How do we speak here? Start the stage. Yeah, let's just. Okay. So anybody that is on the Colisius server can jump there and chat with us. Let's create the entry point. Why this is so slow? Let me see my monitor. I'm not used to streaming, sorry. Kernel task. Oh my god, OBS is taking lots and lots of my CPU. Yeah, here it says that it's using only 30%. I mean, that's quite a bit, but not 140. No performance notifications. Oh yeah, and after I'm done with this, it's probably going to take much more because of the separate web views. Let me see if I turn off this scrolling Patreon web view, does it make much difference? 26. Oh, it doesn't make much difference. Okay, yeah, I'll show it back again. Maybe crashed. What is taking so much? My camera? Strange. Alright, yeah, let's just continue. If my computer is not going to fry, that's good enough. Okay, so Fastify. Does it include already? Okay, it includes TypeScript types. How do I listen? Do I have a listen method? Okay, let's say 8888, whatever. Let's create the start command. Use ts node dev. Oops, what I'm doing. Just note that src index.ts. So let's run npm start. And okay, I should have here the route. Okay, the hello world route. Sounds good. Now let's install this SDK from Todoist. Okay, npm install. Then all the tasks. Yeah, I'm gonna do this very quick and dirty. I just want to have this done quickly, so it won't really bother about the coding standards or whatever. Just for this token, as I don't want to share this publicly during stream, I'm gonna grab the token and save it on an environment file. So sorry for not showing that. I mean, it wouldn't be a big deal to show this. I'm sure nobody's watching this anyway. That's so sad. Okay, copied. Okay, so I basically copied the on-stream token that is showed here on integrations. You probably have seen now if you pause the stream. So whatever. Okay, I just issued a new one, and oh no, it's waiting to. It wants me to sign in again because of this. All right, that's not good. Let's see. Okay, logged in, open. Fine. Okay, copy to clipboard. Now I'm gonna create the .env file. Okay, so I basically created the .env file here with my token, process.env.token. In order for this to work, I also need to install the .env dependency and import .env. I'm not sure if only importing is going to do it because of ESM stuff. Let me see if this is supported. Okay, I need to delete this. Sounds good. So let's require it like this. No problem. I can define this as async, I suppose, and tasks. Let's see if I can get my tasks loaded this way. Removed the hello world and started using the Todoist API. Let's see. Okay, a bunch of, okay, yeah, this is my to-do list for watching movies. A bunch of random stuff that I've added in the past years. So where are the projects? Okay, I have a project ID. I guess I'm going to hard code the project ID so I can filter the ones that are under here. Let's see, task 1. Okay, so this is the project ID that I need to filter. Tasks.filter task, and only the tasks that has that's perfect. It also has type-ins for this. Okay, so I'll filter it right away here. Only the tasks that have this project ID. Now, yeah, my TS node dev is already refreshing the app whenever I save the file. Now, cool. Okay. Oh, I can also filter the completed, and I should order by priority, maybe? Yeah, I think I'll order by priority. Then whenever I have a more important task, I can set a higher priority. Like this is what I'm working on right now. Yeah, let me flag the 2 as priority 1 and clear the priority of this one. And now I'm gonna sort by priority here. Filter, no, not filter, sort. Maybe. I'm always a bit confused by this API, so it's a.priority. Let's see if this works. Yeah. Then returns 1 or else returns 0 or -1. I'm too bad at this. Okay. And let's refresh. I should have tasks. Okay, so it's the opposite. I should now have task 2 as the first one. Sounds good. Okay. So I think in order to send, so I won't have the client able to check in real time whenever I actually click to complete the task, I believe. So I would need to have like a timer to refresh the widget at every couple of seconds probably. So do they have any real time? Nope. Okay. So I also don't want to have the completed tasks, so only the not completed will be shown. So let's take here, if I complete one, let's say this, let me refresh here. Yeah, so but I will undo this. Okay. Oh, this actually works. That's good. And I'll rename this to API because the API is mostly complete, I believe, and have an index here where I output an HTML that is going to request this /API. Let me see on Fastify, how do I respond with HTML? I've never used Fastify before. So do we have some examples? TypeScript support. Okay, this is mostly using as an API. Let's see on GitHub if there are any examples. Simple TypeScript server, shared plugin, HTTPS. Maybe simple, do we have? Let's go the dumb way. Fastify HTML output static. Yeah, that's good enough. Let's use this. Then I can have a static HTML file. Okay, register. We'll start the server. Have a public folder. Import path. Their name. Yeah, that's good. Their name is not an ESM thing, but it's going to work because of TypeScript. As I'm running this from SRC, I'll need to go back one level and then reach to public. And here is gonna be my HTML file. I'm gonna use it as to-do list. On stream. Oh, hard code these style sheets right here. Okay, here I'm gonna reply with the HTML. What is the API for this? Send file. Oh, and it has to be like return. Okay, so return reply. Let's send file. Why is it not auto completing? Do they have a separate typings for this? It's bundled. Okay. It's already 11:20. I'm starting to get starving. Okay. What is this? Festify static. Send file. Oh no, it looks like it's working. So I need to provide the name of the file. Let's print something to see if this works. What is this error path? I guess I need to. Oh, of course, I don't have an ATS config here. TSC init to generate my TS config file. So I have it here and the interrupt. Yeah, this is important to have this configuration. So let's try to start again, see how it goes. It's complaining about me. Because of the, yeah, I'll use the strict mode just for now, but I usually don't use very strict configurations on TypeScript. I find them too annoying. So let's see if my index works. Okay, my index works. My API works. So now I need to combine them. Let's see here. For making the request, yeah, I'm gonna go very bare bones and use the fetch API. I don't particularly like the fetch API. I find it very cumbersome. So function, yeah, this is going to be very bare bones function. Load tasks, and I'm going to fetch the API, then data, and then JSON dot parse data dot body. I think I can actually use async here probably. And I'll wait this. What is wait dot body and JSON dot parse. Oh, this is very strange. Wait. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about, the fetch API. So strange. Okay, then I use then again, and this should be my JSON data. Let me console log this. See if this actually loads. I'm gonna call this right away just for testing. Refresh the page and see if the API is being fetched. So as expected, I have some error here. What is data? Data.body does not exist, but where is my body? It's redo stream. Fetch API, read JSON. How is it? Oh, of course, it's the JSON method. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Okay, now let's refresh again. There it is, my data. My lovely data. Okay. I could have done the filtering and all that on the client, but whatever. It's going to work this way. Yeah. Let's just keep it like this for now. Now I need to. Only need to create some interface for this. So yeah, it's going to be very quick and dirty. I'm gonna have a timer. So let's say set interval, call. I'm gonna call it another function for build task element. So just to have it a bit more organized. And another one, yeah, no, whatever, just function, naming things is always a thing. So let's reload. Yeah, so reload, it's going to await async reload, await for load tasks. So tasks, it's here, then build task element for the first element. And I'm going to call reload at every 5 seconds. And the build task element is going to basically replace the body. So I say document body dot inner HTML, and I'm gonna rebuild the HTML with my tasks. And it's going to be a simple UL. I'm going to use let so I can do like this. And you know what? Yeah. Let's have all the tasks passed here. I think I'm gonna limit the number of tasks later. I'm gonna have the all listed and have like a CSS for the first one, have the first one a bit bigger and the other ones slightly smaller, just so the viewers can have an really an overview of more tasks that are in line. So it's beautiful that at this age you can have these JavaScript features right into the browser. So tasks dot map, and for each task I'm gonna return the item. Kids today use React for everything, but you know, for such simple use case, you can basically output an HTML and whatever. That solves the problem and is way more efficient than like loading a whole library. And you know, this is simple enough, works for this simple purpose. Now let's create a div here. I mean, it could be straight the task name, task dot, let me see how is the task name on the API content. Okay, so I'm gonna use the content attribute, loading tasks. I'm gonna straight call reload, and it for every 5 seconds is going to reload again. Oh yeah, the load test needs to return instead, so let's return a new promise, resolve, reject, call this stuff, then I can resolve with the JSON here, and in case any problem happens, I'm gonna reject with the error. Excuse me. Now let's see. On loading test 1, test 2. Oh yeah, this comma is here because I don't join the result of the map. This is like a straight array that's being returned, and the stringify of the array, the toString method from the array, is going to generate that comma. So I need to manually join, then I get a string as return, and yeah, I'm gonna use like this, doesn't matter. And now it's good, and I should style this properly. Let's say yeah, I wonder how can I have a transparent background on as a Twitch widget. I'm gonna try to use background. Yeah, I just hope that white is going to be transparent by default. So here I'm gonna use like a color. Let's say RGBA 000 and 0.3 or 0.5 actually, in color white. Oops, white. ULLI. Let's say display block, inline block. And I just remember the stream of a young Indian guy that it's so funny. His stream is like just a bunch of gibberish calling CSS gibberish the whole stream, like 5 hours of CSS gibberish. Okay, so it's wait, display block. It's yeah, display block actually, no. And the list style none. So yeah, the margin also margin 0. I feel like the Indian gibberish guy right now. 0 0. Now they are slim. Gonna have some padding in the ULI padding. 1 EM. Okay, one is too big. Let's say 0.5. The font style, I'm gonna use the same font that I've used for Photopea for the Patreon title here, Patreon supporters. So what is that font name again? Let's see here. It's typo. What? Typo hoop. The hoop. No, typo. Google Fonts. Let me see if I can import that. Oh, it's from that font. I'm gonna have a bad time importing this then. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna download this. Yeah, let's download this. To do on stream public, my typo hoop font. Unzip it. Delete the zip file. They're all OTF format. Read me first. Again, no, this is limited character demo version. If you would like to consider commercial, well, I don't make much money, so sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna use the light. Yeah, I'm gonna use the light one. I like this one. Font Squirrel. This is very old school Font Squirrel web font for making my CSS font kit. Oh boy. Do we have a replacement, a modern replacement for this? I used this tool since, I don't know, long ago. Public. What is the one that I need? The light? Yeah, light. Or regular. I'll use the regular. Yeah, regular is always regular. Upload. Yes. I mean, I guess. Download your kit. I'm already 40 minutes and it's almost done. I mean, 1 hour for this. It's less than I expected. So, font kit. Font. Style sheet specimen. So this is the demo. Specimen files. Where is my font file? They used to output, I mean, where are the font files? Specimen files? What? Wait. Oh my god, this tool used to be good one day, but I mean, I don't recommend this whatsoever anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna use Font Forge. I do have on Masmora a script to convert the font files for a... I mean, what am I talking about? I don't need to support a lot of different old browsers. I mean, I think I can just use the font straight ahead. That's why this tool currently is so bad. So let's name it like this. Then on the body, I use font family. I mean, I need to use the font face thing. URL family, I say typo hoop. src, I say this. And font family, let's use this. All right. Does it work? Let me run the server again. Not yet. 404 not found. Oh yeah. I need to, because of the static thing from Fastify. Can I serve a whole directory as static? Like serve directory or something. Directory. Serve static list index. Prefix root list. Let's see, that's fine. Serve font. Serve both homepage and static assets from. Okay. Fastify static, that's what I have. This is currently not possible with Fastify. I don't think this will be a good idea, as it will definitely slow things down. Currently, our router match one handler and one handler only. Okay. Well, I guess that's the major difference between these modern solutions and Express. Express is so friendly for I mean, quick and dirty small prototypes, and this Fastify is like super duper proficient and I mean, benchmarked all the way down for fast stuff. Yeah, but sometimes you don't need fast stuff. You don't want fast stuff. You don't just want things to work. And I'm gonna have to send the font file manually. Let's see if this works now. Okay, now I have my font file loaded and my task list. That's it, I guess. Now I'm just going to have it order it in inverse order. I think I can only do that using Flexbox. So let's say display flex. Wait, in flex direction row. Is it row or column? I never know. so it's column. I always do this, column, and okay, now I have them like this, and I want to invert them, so flex, how do I invert it? Wrap, shrink, flow, is it flow? Row reverse. Oh no, it's the direction, column reverse, that's it. Now I have 1 and 2. Okay, 2 is the higher priority one, and here I'm gonna use the last child. I want to highlight the second one, so I'm gonna use last child and use a higher opacity for this, let's say 8. Then it's the inverse. Oh, of course, because it's reversed, so it's first child. That's a bit confusing. First child. Okay, so my first is actually the last because of it's reversed. Okay, I'm gonna edit this slightly. Now it's task 2, task 1, and I'm gonna use an emoji for a checkbox. Let's say I could actually display the completed tasks as well. So for the unchecked, I think it's square. So yeah, there's no emoji for an unchecked checkbox. So this is like a square. Okay, that's good enough for me. And let's try adding a I am completed task here. Completing this task. And now on the API side, I also include the completed tasks. And whenever the task is completed, is it? Oh yeah, completed. If the task is completed, then I show the checkbox. Oops. Checkbox. Okay. Now refresh. Oh no, where is my completed task? Is it included on my response? Only 2 elements. That's not good. Let's see, I'm almost 1 hour already here. So let me add I am completed, question mark, add task. Now if it, oh, you see? My refresh worked. Am I really completed? Then 1, 2, 3. Where is it? Am I really completed? Cool. Yeah, there's no need to have this interactable. This is supposed to be view only, because this is for on-stream stuff. So whenever I click here as my regular routine, it shows on stream. Let me add to the stream. This will be fun. Let me add the source, browser source. I should have done this earlier. Now, no, I need a new one. So this will be my on-stream to-do. Add source. And I'm gonna use localhost. Okay, there it is. And it's going to be very small. I mean, this is 170. Yeah, let's say the height is 170 and the width is 400, 300. Okay, I think that's good enough for me. Now like this. Yeah, that's good enough for me. Custom CSS. Control audio shut down source when not visible. Refresh browser when, what is this? Refresh browser when scene becomes active. Refresh cache of current page. Yeah, if I can use a very low frame rate for this, yeah, I'm not sure if this is going to be good or bad. Let's keep it like this. Maybe I could have very low frame rate for this, because yeah, it's pretty much static. Yeah, so currently it's 32 CPU usage. Let me add it. Okay, perfect. It has opacity out of box. That's really cool. Okay. How does that look on stream? Yeah, I don't want to make this longer than 1 hour. So I'm already 53 minutes long. Yeah, let's just see if this works when I complete the task. So let's say this is completed, and it should be, no, it shouldn't have done this. It should be flagged as completed. Let me see. API. Wait. The API is returning. Oh, isn't it? Completed. False. Why? Let me see. On their documentation. Flag to mark. No. Yeah, get active. Oh, because is it because it's not active anymore? Returns a single, wait. Tasks. Get active tasks. Yeah, maybe I'll not be able to flag the completion of stuff, which is not bad. So yeah, the method I'm calling is get tasks. And get tasks is mostly for the active tasks, so not sure if I have much to do here. Get all comments. Can I filter to fetch even inactive tasks? Args. What is the args? Let me see here. Get task args. Section filter lang IDs. What is this filter? Must be by name. Section ID. Yeah, let's keep it like this. It's strange that completed is a property, because if it's always false, I mean, why bother returning it? So all completed are false. If I flag something here, it is not going to display here anymore. Yeah, too bad. And this has been refreshed, right? Yeah. Yeah, so let's consider this done. I mean, let's just yeah. I'm gonna have some emojis for the current one. So let's do that by priority. So if task priority equals 1, it's the current one. I could have done this by yeah, I'll do this by the index. So if the index is 0, it's the first one, or else it's not. So if the first one, I'm gonna use like a rocket, and if it's not, I'm gonna use like a time thing. Yeah, time thing. So let's see here. Okay. Yeah, and for the stream, oh, now to replicate this on stream, I think I'll need to refresh the cache, or I mean refresh this somehow. Refresh cache of front page. Okay. You know what, I'll make this even simpler. I don't need to have this reload method. I could simply use document.reload at every 5 seconds. Wait, if I do the reload, then I'm gonna see this flickering. Let's see, it should, yeah. I think this is going to flicker a bit if I use reload. It's not even showing anything right now. Oops. Oops. What have I done? Oh my god. Oh yeah. I removed the reload does not exist anymore. Okay. Loading tasks. What? Reading map. Oh, what am I doing? Yeah, sure. Yeah, oh, that's in the reload method. Okay, I'm going crazy here, sorry. Document.reload, but the reload method is still required. Okay. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? This window dot refresh browser JavaScript method refresh page. This is so dumb that I'm doing. Okay, I don't remember. Location, of course, location. It's location dot reload, of course, yeah. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta-da, loading that. I don't want this. This is very strange. Yeah, let's okay. Yeah. If I ever change the appearance of this widget, then I have to manually go there and clear the cache. That's no big deal. So let's clear the cache. Yeah, that's not too bad. Yeah, I'm already 1 hour here, so let's consider this done. And thank you for watching.